So this is the lamp that my wife claims I took the fixture out of, and I probably did, but I don't remember it. So if we look on the back, we can see that there's a couple holes here where I'm going to put the fixture through. This is it's not a hard repair. I thought I was going to need to get some bolts, but I don't. I think I have just what I need in my electrical toolkit. In fact, I'm pretty sure that this is the one that I took out of there, which might make it a good candidate. In fact, it is, because one of the holes is for the pull, and the other, oh yeah, to hold it down. So that's great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this up with a new wire that we can wrap around, and that way when it's hanging on the wall and she doesn't want it plugged in, that's fine. And when she does, this will be dangling there for her to turn it off and on at her pleasure. I think Sharon's going to enjoy that. I might as well sit down and do this part of the job. Excellent. Okay, so I can take that off. This will simply screw back on here. Okay, I want to make sure I don't put it in my way, because this can be finger tightened. So I need a cable. I have just the one. It's nice because it has the plug, has a flat back, so it'll be able to go behind a piece of furniture and not stick out. I think this was an optional piece for some kind of IKEA fixture that I saved. I bet you Sharon will be happy I saved this. She's not always happy when I save things. So, two wires that need to be connected here. I'll need a screwdriver. And a pair of needle nose pliers, which I have. And loosen these up. I think I want to make those a little longer. I'll grab my handy dandy wire stripper. That's nice. And, oh, I had solder on it, so it was obviously connected to something at one point. So I'll just pull it back a little bit further. Ow! Metal sliver in my finger. Sharon's really good at getting those things out, so I'll have to go to her for some medical advice a little later. It's not bleeding, so we'll keep going. So, what I like to do, I like it a little bit more. Not much. A little bit. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of a twist there. And tighten it up. Pretty simple. So what I want to do is I want to have it so that when I tighten it, I'm actually turning it and pulling the wire around tight and into the loop. And I want to make sure that it's completely under. Now, I probably can't wrap these. Normally what I like to do is when I'm doing fixtures and things, I like to wrap the wires so that they don't accidentally get shorted. Yeah, this one here, it's kind of an ugly end here. Just clean that up a bit. Okay, and I want to go in this way. I want I want this. I'll wrestle with this a little bit just to get it right. There we go. That'll probably hold. Okay. So. Perfect. Yeah, you want to make sure that it's got a good hold on it. It's not going to come out. Of course, it would have helped if I had put all of this stuff through first. Excellent. So I'll just, this was proof of concept, right? Excellent, excellent. Okay, clean those up a bit more even. So this needs to go on first. Doesn't matter how far down that goes. This needs to go on second. I know that electrical stuff can be daunting to some people, but I found that when I started to do some home electrical stuff, it was easy to mess up, especially when you're trying to figure out what needs to go where. Okay, so that's how this goes together. Really? Oh, this is upside down. Third time's the charm. Now, I wouldn't recommend plugging this in while you're doing this kind of work. That would not be good. Okay. So this actually goes on over top of this after. Okay. So probably should have verified that first. That's much better. Well, yeah, those line up a little better too. Perfect. So now this can come down. Oh, that looks good. And then the bottom can come up and hold the two things together. This is a much fancier one than the other ones that I have that I could have put into this. Oh, there's a special groove for that. Now, we could just put a light bulb in here, turn it on and off to see if it works before we go to the bother of installing it in there, that'd probably be a really wise idea. So I'm going to do that. I got this nice LED bulb, so put into here. Let's hope I don't blow a circuit or anything, because that would be embarrassing. Okay. This is it. The moment. Oh yeah. We have light. Excellent. Well, it's just always smart to test out things before you get too far down the road there. Oh no. And I realize I got too far down the road, because this has to go through that, which means the wires have to go through it. Huh. I guess I gotta take it apart again. Okay. You need to be on that side. You need to be on that side. You need to come through here. And this needs to go through here. Excellent. So we can actually determine where everything's going to be. But let's set it up one more time. I'm going to pull in, just applying a little bit of pressure to keep this lined up while I tighten it. Make sure that the wire is completely under the screw. Okay, so this one has to go like this, which means this has to go out. There's a little piece that connects on the inside here, so it all fits together. Now pull it through, and we want this to be right lined up over top of the other hole where the wire's going to come through, because it'll throw it out just far enough that, well, there's a slide here, so it'll go through nicely. There we go. So now, I'll bring this through here. Put this through this hole. And someone's already put nice felt pads onto this. There we go. And now reconnect the chain. Wrestle with this a little bit. Ooh, there we go. And then it uses the knot to lock it in place. Ooh. So voila. I can add the light bulb in here. And we can give her a whirl. This will be nice to clean off the dust. So I think Sharon will be happy with this. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. Okay, I'll see you on the next project.